Okay, so this is the unboxing of my new multimeter that I bought. So I've got the instruction manual, charges by USB, nice little set of leads, and the meter. Alright, let's go ahead and peel that off. Alright, I'll connect the leads and then come back. Alright, so let's turn it on. Oh, so we've got volts, DC volts, AC. We've got big fat fingers. Let me try this. There's ohms, diode testing. Yeah, that's, you know, when you gotta, hang on, let's put it on something to stop it from spinning around. You know, when you touch the probes together. So let's put it back on volts AC. Let's check this out. See what we got here. There you go. That's in the plug there. That's pretty cool. And then it's got graph, so you can record. And then you've got this. And this, that is pepper at 28 degrees, 21 degrees. It's got a camera on the back, infrared. And that is my foot. I can look inside my computer. Let's see where all the hotspots are. Very handy for switchboards. And you can stop moving around. Stop. So you can actually take a snapshot of it. It's a bit slow. and then you go to settings, storage, and there's your snapshot. It's pretty cool, eh? And you got, we'll just get rid of that. What else you got here? Back out of that. Go back to the meter, and you can do your frequency. Still haven't worked it all out yet. What's that one? Oh, you can lock it. Yeah. That's pretty cool, eh? And you can say how long you want the sampling period for your graph. And then you can connect it up to your computer through the USB and get all the graphs. That's my new toy.